Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw application from Accenture. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm seeing online a lot of people having issues with this. So the best way I've found is by opening up a web page and going to the Accenture website. Then from here we want to scroll down on the home page until we see where it says contact us. So you'll go ahead and click on the contact us tab. It's in the websites near the footer, and then it'll come to this page which says get in touch. So we need to go ahead and click on send message. And now from here we've got to put the inquiry type, so you select a value. And now in the drop down menu they have nothing to, there's no withdraw application or anything like that. So what we need to do is go ahead and click on the other and then fill out the about you section. So your first name, last name, your email address that you've signed up with on Accenture, your phone number, please include the country code, your company organization. You don't need to fill out your role. You got to select your region, and then at the bottom here where it says how can we help you, say something similar to this. I would like to withdraw my application, to insert the role you want to be withdrawn from. So if it's like, for example, you put application to be a data analyst, just put in that role there and put in as much information about that. Then from here go ahead and click on the I agree to use or processing, yada yada. Click I'm not the robot, fill out the captcha, and then from here go ahead and click on submit and give Accenture 24 to 48 hours to get back to you, and then from there they'll go ahead and withdraw the application.